And welcome to today's video. So in today's video, I will be teaching you how to download any kind of video on YouTube and it will automatically appear on your gallery, unlike the usual way of clicking the download button directly on YouTube. And at the end of the day, you still need to log into YouTube before you can access the video you have downloaded. And most times, you will even need data before you can access it. And in this video, I will be teaching you how to download with a third-party app. Yes, because we'll be needing a third-party app to get our video downloaded. It will automatically appear on your gallery, so you have no business to do with YouTube again after downloading the video. The name of the app we'll be needing to get our video downloaded is called Black O. You can go to your Play Store or Apple Store to get this app downloaded. Search for it, Black O. So let's go to my phone screen. Let me show you the remaining part on how to do it.
Let's say this is the video that we want to download, so we need to get a way to copy the link to the video. You can see the share button. It will allow us to copy the link to the video. Then click on copy and locate our app Black O. Can you see Black O? Click on the app. This is the interface of the app. Can you see that? This thing, don't touch anything. Okay, so sometimes ads might be disturbing. It is nothing, just wait till the ad finish loading. Okay, you know this app is totally free and I think that is the only way they generate income. So the next thing for you to do, you don't have anywhere to paste your link or anything. This is what you have to click on. This circle, just click on it. It will automatically extract the link by itself. Click on it. You can see please wait, right? So you will need to be patient here. It has got the video, the link to the video, and download everything complete. Can you see download complete? So here, if you click on these videos, you'll be able to see all the video you have downloaded using you will see all the video you have downloaded on YouTube using this app. Okay, now let's proceed to our gallery to go and see the video, but it will be under Black O and not general video. Let's go. My gallery here. Let's locate Black O. Okay, so here is it, Black O. Click on it. You can see the video here. This is the video we just downloaded on YouTube for free, without watermark, without wasting our time. It is as simple as that.
I hope you found this video helpful. If yes, click on the like button so as for more people to see this video and benefit from it. It is totally free. You can share with someone today and subscribe to my channel so as to be notified whenever I upload an helpful content like this. See you in my next video. Bye.